naturally, the weak in society are who? Biologically, who are those who are weak in society? Females. Do you agree? In society, females are the ones that are weak. You know, there's this trend nowadays amongst young people who talk about the fact that no, women should have the same right that men have, and they don't understand how it was to be a woman in Jahiliyyah. That is why a lot of sisters will go around imbibing certain conception of women liberation, whether it's feminism, whether it's feminazi, whatever nonsense people call it. Because they did not understand how Islam came to liberate women from the oppression of Jahiliyyah. If they were campaigning against oppression, it's understood. But they go beyond the boundaries of what the Qur'an and Sunnah has laid down, and then they want to achieve legal equality with men, even in marriages. This is frowned upon. So in Jahiliyyah, women face the brunt of it in all ramifications. You cannot marry women just as you wish. The Arabs, the concept of shushupo in Yoruba land also operated with the Arabs. You cannot just inherit women like that. If your brother dies and you want to marry his wife, it has to be a new act. New act, new marriage, new everything. And she can, of course, say no. Women are not property to be inherited. Our chief man mentioned that you cannot say because Islam is giving a male child 2 portions of what a female child will have in inheritance, that because you don't understand what Jahiliyyah was all about. In Jahiliyyah, women did not inherit anything. Rather, they were inherited. There is some abolished the fact that you cannot inherit women, number one, and said they also have the right to own property. They also have the right to deal with their money as they deem right. Women have separate financial rights. The husband does not have any right on our money. If your husband, okay, a lot of us here are not married. I did not say, you see, you are the one that said, the men did not say anything. Women would just laugh it off, but women, may Allah be with us. If your husband is taking your money, he's a thief. If he's saying that the Sharia allows him to take your money, he's a spiritual bandit. May Allah assist us.